In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a disappearing mobile menu on your Wix website. If your mobile menu icon has suddenly vanished, don't worry. This is usually caused by a small setting change in the Wix editor, especially after adjusting your layout or customizing the mobile version of your site. In this guide, I'll walk you through the exact places to check so you can restore the menu and make sure it stays visible where it should. The first thing you want to do is check the Hidden on Mobile panel. A very common reason the mobile menu disappears is that it was accidentally hidden while making design edits. To do this, open your site in the Wix editor and switch to Mobile View using the toggle at the top. This is important because some elements can appear normally on desktop while being hidden only on mobile. Once you are in the mobile editor, go to the toolbar on the left side and click the Hidden on Mobile panel, which is marked with an eye icon. This panel shows any elements that are currently hidden from mobile visitors. Look through the list carefully. If you see your mobile menu there, click the Show Element icon next to it. That will restore the menu to your mobile header. After doing this, take a moment to preview the page and confirm that the icon is visible again in the correct spot. If the menu appears on some pages, but disappears on others, then the issue may be related to page-specific mobile settings rather than a hidden element. In that case, the next step is to verify your page settings from the left-hand menu. Click Menus and Pages. Find the page where the mobile menu is missing. Then click the three dots next to that page to open more actions. From there, select Mobile Settings under the Mobile Layout Settings options. In this section, make sure the layout is set to standard. This setting helps keep the header and mobile menu visible. So if it's set differently, that may be the reason the menu isn't showing on that page. After updating the setting, check the page again in Mobile View to confirm everything looks right. It's a good idea to repeat this on any page where the issue appears, especially if your site has multiple layouts or unique page designs. With these two checks, you can usually fix a disappearing mobile menu in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching.